Hello, I'm Dominique Soxa with KPRC Channel 2 News. Here are some of the stories making headlines. TxDOT has closed 3 main lanes of the Gulf Freeway northbound at Wayside Drive. We are told that a piece of rebar sticking up from the road caused several flat tires there. The work is expected to be completed by 5 a.m. on Thursday. Mayor Sylvester Turner has earned the backing of the Men and Women in Blue. The Houston Police Officers Union announced it unanimously voted to endorse Turner's re-election bid. In Utah, an 11-year-old boy's refreshment stand sparked a call to police. The boy had posted a sign that read, "Cold beer," or at least that's what you could see from afar. A closer look revealed that he was actually selling root beer. And for our weather overnight, clear skies with temperatures dropping to the low 80s.